Okay, beauties, let's start with... Wait, what? Time for Ultra Mega Glam.
Oh, don't you? Oh, my glowing stars, baby!
Lipstick Tornado.
I am the amazing Makeup Avenger.
Not again.
That's not a volcano. It go brash. Bouncy, bouncy beauty attack.
Stop! You're blending the air now.
Mama, PR decoration mode.
This is not a makeup technique. Shine mode maximum.
My eyes. I can see the sun. No, not the premium lipstick.
Lipstick Tornado Strike. Dual Glam Combo Attack. Baby Kitten, that mirror was expensive. Mama Cat pretty now. I look like a romantic traffic sign. Art mode. Crazy beauty wall. Stop! The mirror is bleeding! Mascara monster awaken!
What? What is Baby Kitten doing now?
Mascara monster spray attack. Stop! Mama Cat is not a target.
Mama Cat / cute panda mode.
Why? Why is this happening? Makeup tutorials never warned Mama Cat about this level of chaos. Mascara monster still hungry.
Snow mode activated.
Baby Kitten, this is not winter. Mama Cat can't see anything.
Shine level ultra super mega.
Mama Cat is glowing more than the SUN. Mama Cat equals supernova beauty star.
What? Mama Cat can't feel Mama Cat's face anymore. Mama Cat, glitter looks so shiny.
Baby Kitten, please, no more shiny attacks. Glitter bomb.
Wait, no, too much glitter.
Mama Cat looks like Sparkle Queen now.
Oh, stars! Everything is glowing.
Tutorials never warned about glitter disaster. This is chaos. More glitter for Mama Cat.
Mama Cat, look! Oh, so much glow.
Baby Kitten, everything looks too bright. Oh no! This is way too much makeup.
Mama Cat looks so funny. Baby Kitten, why is everything so messy?
It looks amazing to Baby Kitten. Tiny sparkle surprise! Baby Kitten. Not again. Yay! Glitter everywhere! Baby Kitten, careful! Too much glitter.
Uh-oh. Extra shiny streak.
Baby Kitten, this glow is getting crazy.
Cat, look.
Baby Kitten made drawing.
Ow, Baby Kitten, this is so sweet. Mama Cat, Baby Kitten loves shiny moments.
Come here, Baby Kitten. Mama Cat loves this too.